Are you planning to work, study, or stay long-term in Malaysia? Then you need to know about the Visa with Reference, or VDR. Let me break down exactly what it is and how to get it. What is a VDR? A Visa with Reference, or VDR, is an entry visa for foreign nationals who need to enter Malaysia for purposes beyond tourism. This includes working, studying, or long-term stays. Think of it this way. While tourists from many countries can enter visa-free, the VDR is required if you are coming for employment, education, or professional visits. It's your official permission to enter Malaysia for these specific purposes. Who needs a VDR? You will need a VDR if you fall into any of these categories. Employment pass holders, skilled professionals, visit pass, temporary employment, or PLKS holders, student pass holders, dependent pass holders, professional visit pass or PLIC holders. If you're from a country that requires a visa to enter Malaysia, you must obtain a VDR before travelling. You can check the official visa requirement list on the Immigration Department of Malaysia website to see if your country is on the list. How does the VDR process work? Here is a step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Your sponsor applies first. The VDR is not something you apply for directly on your own. Your Malaysian sponsor, either your employer, university or spouse, must first apply for approval from the Immigration Department of Malaysia. For workers, your employer must obtain quota approval and then apply for a visa approval letter, or VAL, through the Expatriate Services Division portal. For students, your educational institution handles this. For dependents, the main work permit holder's employer applies on your behalf. Step 2. Receive the visa approval letter. Once approved, the Immigration Department issues a visa approval letter, or VAL. This letter is your reference document. It confirms that your entry into Malaysia has been pre-approved. Step 3. Apply for the VDR at a Malaysian embassy. With your VAL in hand, you now apply for the actual VDR sticker at the nearest Malaysian embassy or consulate in your home country or current country of residence. You will typically need to submit your original passport, valid for at least 6 months, the original VDR or eVISA approval letter from the Immigration Department, passport-sized photographs, visa application form, visa fee payment. Processing usually takes about 5 working days. Step 4. Travel to Malaysia. Once your VDR is issued, you can travel to Malaysia. Make sure you enter within the validity period stated on your VDR. Step 5. Get your work permit or pass endorsement. Here's an important point. The VDR alone does not allow you to work or study. It is only your entry visa. After arrival, you must complete the final step. For workers, this means undergoing a medical examination through FOMEMA, then receiving your work permit endorsement. As of March 2025, physical stickers have been replaced with a digital e-pass, which is linked to your passport electronically. For students, you will receive your student pass sticker after arrival. Key documents you'll need. Throughout this process, make sure you have passport valid for at least 6 months, 18 months for work permit applications, the official visa approval letter from the Immigration Department, confirmed flight ticket, passport-sized photographs, proof of sponsorship or employment contract. Important things to remember. The VDR application must be submitted before you travel to Malaysia. You cannot arrive on a tourist visa and then switch to a work permit without leaving and re-entering with the proper VDI. Your sponsor is responsible for paying the security deposit, which can range from 250 to 1,500 ringgit, depending on your nationality. Foreign workers are generally not allowed to bring family members to stay unless they hold an employment pass category 1 or 2, which qualifies for dependent passes. The VDR is different from a visa without reference, or VWTR. VWTR is for short-term business or social visits and is issued directly by the Malaysian Mission without needing prior approval from the Immigration Department. If this video helped you understand the Malaysia VDR process, hit that like button, drop a comment below with any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more visa and travel guides. Safe travels, and good luck with your journey to Malaysia.